This is Alan Bush with the Daily Financial Forecast for Thursday, January 20th. Stock index futures putting in a very good performance today, even though we did have two of the three economic reports coming in on the weaker side. Jobless claims coming in more than anticipated. Also, we had the existing home sales report a bit on the weak side, but the Philadelphia Fed Manufacturing Index better. Overall, though, futures performing very well for the news. It does appear that traders still very much focusing on what the Fed may be doing at upcoming meetings. So it's the Fed that is dominating the headlines. But I think the overall fundamentals still are bullish on balance, at least for the longer term in stock index futures. In the currency markets, seeing the euro currency a little bit higher, even though we did have the producer inflation numbers in Germany coming in with a very large increase. In fact, a move to a new record high of 24.2% for the month of December. Also, the pound holding up relatively well. Yesterday, it was reported that UK inflation surprised with a jump to the highest level in 30 years. Of course, that is supportive to the pound on the premise that the Bank of England will be forced to raise interest rates in order to counter inflationary pressures. So I would be trading the pound from the long side. By the same token, I think the yen will work lower as the Bank of Japan is not likely to be in a position anytime soon to increase interest rates. And the interest rate futures markets, some support from the weaker than expected unbalanced reports this morning. Once again, traders still focusing on the Fed and inflation, but I think later this year there will be pressure on the Fed to walk back some of their hawkishness as far as a series of anticipated rate increases. So good trading, everyone. Once again, remember, these are my opinions alone and are not the opinions of ADMIS or ADM.